Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good, and if you're new to my channel then guys please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So guys, today what we will do, here today we are connecting our Node.js with MySQL database, and front end will be the React. Means we are developing one application where the React will be the front end and database will be the MySQL and Node.js backend will be the Node.js guys here, okay? And usually what we do guys, usually we use nodejs with our mongodb, right? Usually you can see, usually nodejs means mongodb, nodejs means mongodb, but how we can connect that using MySQL, that we will see today. And already Node.js, how we can connect Node.js with MongoDB, that video already I have done guys, you can watch that video also. And this video also I'm doing guys, I got comment also for this, so for that also, and even I wanted to do video on that guys, how we can connect, how we can use MySQL for Node.js. Okay, so that only we will see. So for that what we will do guys, first we will create the Node.js folder. This one application will create guys. So here I'm creating one folder, and the folder name I'll give like this guys, that is node with MySQL. Okay, so it will it is easy to understand for me. Okay, so here I'm opening with VS Code. As usual we are using VS Code only, and guys here we are using Express framework, which is required for Node.js. So that we need to do first. Okay, I'll go in terminal. So guys, to install Express, what first I'll create the package.json. So in it, so this process you can use guys if you're using Node.js. Okay, it is done. Next what we will do guys, next we will install the Express. So npm install. So if you want this command guys, you will get online, already is there. And in last video also I have told guys, in almost whatever the where I have done node related video, there I told everything, all the details of this and all. Okay, you can watch that video as well. So here it will take time, so we need to keep some patience. You can see guys, here we got here our package.json file and even package.log.json file. Okay, fine, this we got guys. Next what we will do now we will create here one file, and I'll give the name like app.js. Okay, so this is my file name. So now we'll write the code guys. So here we are using, means I'll start writing code guys. Okay, so what we are doing is, first one I'll tell guys, here in this code we are connecting Node.js library with our MySQL database. Then we are creating one API using Express framework. Okay, so here there is an Express framework I'm using here because it is required. Okay, so so here is Express guys. Then next what we will do is, here we are using MySQL, right? So for that purpose I have used here MySQL, and here is require MySQL because we are connecting with MySQL, so I have used here this is also required for that. Then next guys, this I will use now only, that is course, because here the backend is Node and front end is React, so this error will get guys, that is course error. So now only I am taking this. If you use this, we will not get that error. Okay, this is done guys. Then next I am using here body parser. So require here is okay. So you got guys, this is the library, sorry, this is the framework we are used guys. Even the Node.js library means that library that will interact with MySQL, right? So for that we are using this guys. And cost means, you know guys, cross origin resource sharing this is. So as I told you, the port will be different for Node and for React, so it will give this error. So if you use this now, then that error we will not get that error guys. Okay, then next, what is this body parser? So this is a middleware to pass incoming data, means whatever the incoming JSON data will be there now, so to pass that we are using this guys. Okay, body parser. Fine. Then next, what we will do guys, we will create here instance for this. So here is const app, and here my express will come. Okay, then even we need to install this course guys, that also I'll tell you. Okay, so here is my course. So instance I'm creating guys. Then next, app.use, and here the body parser will come .json. Okay, this is done. Next, what we will do guys, now we will connect, this is the main in declaration and all done. Now we will connect our database, which is MySQL database. Okay, so for that, what I am going to use, I will use here, sorry, const. So db I'm writing, here is MySQL dot create. This we need to use is create connection. Okay, because we are creating connection, so for that we need to use this only. Oh, not like this. It should be like this guys. Okay, then next we will use a host. What will be the host here? So here the host will be localhost. Okay, because we are using here localhost. Then next, user we can write here. So the user, you can give the name guys. If you are given, I will use root. This is my username. Okay, then password we need to write. So here the password will come, and right now I am not using any password, so that is empty. Then here is database. So here I have to write the database name. So I'll use one database guys, which I have in my database. So you can use any, just by fetching the data from database, right? Just here we're seeing how we can connect, how we can create API here, how we can use that we are seeing. Okay, so this is the declaration guys, what all the things are there, and here we're creating a connection with our book yourself database. Okay, fine. Then next guys, we'll check whether it is connected or not. If it is not connected, we need to give any error, right? So here what we are checking that one. Now here we're checking is if any error is there, then we'll print that in console, like this, console dot error, and here we'll take, oh, what is happening here? So database connection errors. Okay, and whatever the error is there now, that also will print here. Okay, this is done, and will return from that only. If getting error, we will not go further, we'll return from there only. Okay, then next, if it is connected, then what we need to do guys, we'll print in console like connected to MySQL. Okay, this we will print guys in console. So here guys, we are checking the error. Okay, db connect error we are checking. If there is any error, then it will give this guys in console, like it is not connected and whatever the error is there. And if it is connected, it will give this connected to MySQL. Okay, Fine, this is done guys. Next what we will do guys, see the connection is very easy guys. Connection is done. Now we need to create one API. So that API will create to fetch the data from our database. Okay, so here is app.get, and here I can give the path for my API. So that will be this path I'll give, and here request will come. Sorry guys, what is happening? Request will come, then response will come, arrow mark. Okay, so this is how we have created APIs, right? Like that only we need to create here. Just here we need to use SQL queries. So I am writing here guys one SQL query. So this query is to select all the data from my database. Okay, so what I'm from my table. So what I'm doing, select all the data from user table. Okay, so whatever the user table I have now, from that I'm selecting all the data. Star is nothing but what it is, it will select all the data from this table. Okay, then here also we will check guys whether my query is correct or not. So db.query. Okay, so here SQL will come. SQL will come. Then next guys, here error will come, if any error, and result. Three things will take guys here. Okay, fine. If here also same thing we will check, if any error while what in our query, then response will use in status, that is response.status, and 500 error we will give it, that is 500 does our error. You can see, you can do that. Send database query error, that's it. Database query error. Okay, so here we are giving error. If my query is wrong, that time I'm giving one error. Okay, for example, suppose if there is no error, then we need to write that also, right? So yeah, that we will write in else part guys. So if there is no error, if my query is correct, then give the response in JSON format guys. So here is result. Okay, so here I'm getting result. So that result we are giving here in JSON. Okay, if my query is correct. So here we are checking guys whether my query is correct or not. Okay, and this is the root guys. From this I'm fetching my data. Okay, now what we need to do guys, now we need to start the server, right? This server Node.js. So for that what I'll do, I'll take here one port, and the root, sorry, port name port number I'll give 5000. Then here is app.listen, we're listening to that port, and here is my port guys. Okay, okay, so here I'll write like this is console.log in bracket. So you can write anything as well, like server is running on this port, on this dollar. It should be inside it. So dollar port. So here I'm using, and I have to use backticks. So here you can see guys, here we're starting the server, and close this. So I hope guys you got. So here the declaration we have done. Here it should be cost. Okay, here is course guys, then MySQL. Okay, so here we declared all the things. Then here we have done the database connection. Then guys, here we're checking whether my database is connected or not. Okay, if it is connected, it will print this in console. If it is not connected, it will give error, whatever the error is there. Okay, then here we have created what API you can say is here. This is the root, and here what we are doing is we are taking all the data from my users table. Okay, by using this star. This is one query, you can say one PHP query guys. Okay, then next here also we are checking is whether my query is correct or not. If it is not correct, it will give error. If it is correct, it will give the JSON format response. Then here we are starting our server. Okay, so this is done guys. Now what I'll do guys, I'll just run this and we'll see whether it is working or not. Okay, so for that I'll write node app.js. Okay, so here one error is there guys, so we'll check what is that error. So loader cannot find module MySQL. It is telling is MySQL module is not finding. Means guys, what is happening here? I have not installed this MySQL. Okay, so I have to install that. I forgot that. Okay, so here it will be like npm install MySQL. Okay, because we are connecting with MySQL means we need to install this. So you can see guys, it is installing now, right? And if you go here in package edition, here you can see that there is only Express. So here MySQL also it will come. You can see this here MySQL, right? Okay, now we'll see guys, even I have to install the course also. We'll see. Okay, one more error is coming. Okay, you can see this course also we got. So here also saying we need to use this. Just instead of this, I will use like course. npm install course. You can see here guys, nothing is there. Now it will get installed here also. You can see course came. Okay, so again I'll run. We'll see again anything is there. Okay, now you can see guys, server is running on this port 5000 and connected to MySQL. Means it is connected guys. You can see here it is running connected to MySQL, and here it is running, right? So to check this data, whatever the data I'm getting, means what data I'm getting from this users table, so that we will check right now without using any front end. So that we will check this here. So here I'll use localhost colon. Okay, see guys, here localhost 5000, that is my port. As I told you, here is my port 5000, and the root is what is API data, right? So here is API. You can see as I'm getting here data, right? My all users table, whatever that user table there is in a from that table, I'm getting all the data. Okay, so like this guys, you can connect your Node.js library with MySQL database. Okay, using Express framework. So this is done guys here. So the backend we have done using Node.js guys. So front end we are doing by using React. Okay, so for that what we need to do guys, we need to create one React application. Okay, so for that what I'll do, I'll create here one folder. Okay, and here I'll write name like react underscore node underscore mysql. Okay, oh, what is happening here? My SQL, it is mine. Okay, so here we'll create a React application. So to create React application, we'll follow these skills. Beat okay. So we'll use this, just copy it, come here, then run this. Okay, so first I like this. So name will give same, later will remove that part. So it is taking some time. We'll wait for that. Guys, if you are getting any background music, sorry, sound and all, then please ignore that. Okay, and just focus on this. Whatever what I'm doing on that, you just focus it. One more thing I'll tell guys, till this, see if you are running this backend code, right? Here we are using MySQL. As I told you, we are connecting with MySQL with our database. So guys, for that you need to start your XAMPP. Okay, means whatever the local server is there, which local server you're using, that local server you need to start for that. Okay, we want to proceed. Yes. So the project name will give like same name will give it react underscore node underscore mysql. Okay, it is react javascript. Okay, this is done, guys. The next step we need to follow, that is npm install, right? Where it is. Okay, this is done. Next is npm install, same it is showing here also. Okay, before that I have to go in this file. Here it is giving me step. I'll go in this, then install this. Here we need to keep some patience. So guys, I know you guys know how to create react application, but then also I am following all the steps, guys, from basic to everything. Okay, so, and one more thing, guys, I got comment like Laravel application how we can deploy in our live server. So for that also, some subscriber they want full details like from localhost to how we can upload the data. So that video also will also come soon, guys. So stay connected to my channel. Okay, the npm installation is done. Now we'll do this npm run dev. We'll see whether it is running or not. Just copy the URL. So you can see it is working here. Okay, fine. Now we'll follow this step, that is we need to go in our app.js. Just remove all the things, whatever it is there, everything I'll remove, guys, because I don't want that here my code will come. Okay, so this is done, guys. So right now we are using only app.js here. Okay, so we'll start the writing code. First we need to import the react. Okay, so import react, and what we are using this way, that is use effect. This I'm going to use okay, like this it is coming. We don't want function, we want only use effect. Okay guys, so I'm using this, and use state also I'm going to use, so I'll write that also. It's taking a whole. Okay, no problem. Okay, so guys, use effect and use states I'm taking now only because I am going to use these all things also. So then next from react. Okay, so this is done. Then next, guys, this also I'm going to use because I'm using here APIs and I'm using exhaust method. So for that only I'm using this initially only, because afterwards also I have to use, right? So I thought now only I'll use this. Even I have to install this, that also will do. Okay, this is done, guys. Next we'll create the function for our API. Okay, so the function name will keep like app, and here my function will come. So guys, here we are going to use three use states, that is first one is data. That I'll tell you for what purpose we are using. So we'll write the code first. Set data. Here is use state. Sorry. Okay, use state, and initially we'll keep it as null. So I'll copy this all the things. So just copy it, paste it. Okay, for errors I'm going to use. So here is set error. Okay, then next for loading also, loading, and here it will be set loading. Set loading. Okay, here it will be, and keep this as null guys, that is error, and the set loading initially will keep as true. Okay. So first we are using guys, as I told you, here we are using three use states, that is data and error and loading. Okay, so data, why we are using is, this we are using to store the fetched data, whatever the data we are fetching from our API, that to store that we are using this. And this guys, if you are getting any errors while storing the data or while fetching the data, if you are getting any error, so for that time it will show the error. Okay, for that we are setting this error. And loading means what will happen is, it will track whether the data is still being loaded or not, that it will show us. If it is loading, it will tell the loading is happening or not. Okay, so for that we are using that. And as I told you guys, libraries we are using, that is react.js library for making the API request. Okay, and these are the hooks we are using, as that is use state and use effect hooks we are using. Okay, fine. Then next what I will do is, now the this declaration is done, so I have to write the function to call my API. Okay, so for that what I'll do guys, here I have to write one function. So come here. Okay, so const, I'll take the function name like fetch data. So we are fetching data here, right? So I have taken like that only. Okay, then here my arrow function will come. Okay, then first only I will use this try catch, because we'll see this also, try catch any error are coming or not. Okay, in this guys, what I'll do, I'll take response, and here I'm going to call my API. Okay, so I'll write await, then react.js.get, here my API will come. And guys, if I'm using here await means here async will come. Okay, so that I have to use. So I'm taking here async, and here my API will come. API is nothing but what it is, whatever I'm running the code here on this port, right, 5000. So that port only I have to take here. So here it is running, you can see. Here it is not this. Okay. Colon 5000 API data. Okay, here you can see guys, my API data is there. So this route only I am going to copy and I'll paste it here. Okay, so this is my route guys. You can replace with your route whatever what you are using that. Okay, then next what I'm doing is, I'm doing the setting the data. Okay, so response dot data. After that I'm going to check the error. So here, wait, I'll adjust everything. Okay, so here guys, I'm checking the error. If any error are there, so that also I am going to set here. So here it will be like set error. Okay, so it is like error dot response. Sorry, error dot message, it is not response, because here we are taking message. Okay, so whatever the error message is there, that we can see here inside there. So try is there, catch is there. Then last what we will do is, we'll use finally also, if loading is happening, that also will show. So finally set loading, this will make it false. If we are getting data, then that time we need to make this as false. Okay, so this is done. Next we will need to call this, that also we will do here. So here is use effect hook we are using. See, now it is not taking earlier. Now I wanted the function, but it is not. See, sometimes it will work differently only. So this is, here is my arrow function guys, and here I am going to call my function, that is fetch data. Okay, and one time it will run this when the component is mounted, that time it will run. Okay, so for that I'm using this. So here I will tell you guys all the step what is happening. Okay, so here guys, you can see here we are taking the get request. Okay, means we are fetching the data, whatever the data is coming from that API, that we are fetching and we are storing in that response. Okay, and whatever the response is there now, that we are updating to set data, means whatever the set data is there, we are updating is the response. Okay, and for example, suppose if any error are there, that also we are updating with this set error, means it will show the error also. And for example, suppose if any the loading is happening, means if any error are there, then that time also it can show the error loadings and all, or if it is not getting any data, if it is taking time, that time also it will show the loading. So for that we are setting here loading names. Okay, and this use effect fetch data, this function we are calling is once when the component is mounted. Okay, so that time we are calling this function. So this it is like this guys. Okay, then next means what I'll do guys, next we have to write here. Okay, we need to return some data also, right? So that I'll do here now. Okay, I have to close here. No, here we already closed. Yes, it is done with. Then next what I will do is I'll write here return the data. So here I'll write first, I'll take div function is here. So we'll give one heading like data from MySQL, and then this is capital. Okay, now if it is loading, okay, if it is loading, then what you do, then show loading. Okay, but still if it is not getting any data, if it is loading, then show loading is like that is happening. Okay, next if there are any error, okay, if any error, then what you do is show that error also. So here is error, whatever the error is there, that we are taking in curly basis. So here error will come. And if there is, if it is not loading also, if there is no error also, so that time what you do, that time you show the data using map function. So here I am using real, and here the data means we are taking array of data will get, right? So for that what we are going to use is, for that we are going to use map function. So item.index key we are providing is for our items. Then here is my arrow function will come. Okay, so in list will show the data. So here is my key, it will be index. Okay, and right now we are fetching only one item will fetch this. So there is one column in my database, that is us underscore first underscore name. Here it is underscore. This is my column name. Okay, so from that guys I'm fetching the first name, only first name I'm fetching. Okay, then here we are closing, then here our div will get closed, and here our whole code will get closed. Okay, then next what we will do guys, next I have to export it, right? So export default app. Sorry. Okay, export default app. So now I'll tell guys what is happening here. Thing is, if as I told you, if loading is to show loading, if any error are there, show error. error. Okay, if there is no loading, there is no error, that time show the data. Okay, and the data is in array format. So here we are using is map function, so it will fetch one by one data and it will show all the array of data. Okay, and from my database I'm not fetching all the data, I'm taking only the user us underscore first underscore name. So if I show you here guys, localhost, I have not opened the database, so database name is bookers, here it is, and here is my users. Okay, so you can see guys here US is the first underscore, so I'm taking only the first name here. Okay, so here is only first name. If you want to take other also, you can take this. You can last name also you can take, email ID you can take. Just I want to show you how it will work. So for that only one function I have taken. I have not done any CSS and all. Okay, just the concept you are learning is here. Okay, this is done guys. Next what I have to do, I have to run this code. So I'll come out from it. I think Exist I have to install. We'll see whether it will give error or not. Okay, npm, I forgot the command. Okay, npm dev run. See guys, I do this, that and all now, so I forgot command also. So you can see here. Did you mean npm run dev? Yes. Yes guys, npm run dev. See. Okay. Um, okay. So just copy it. Come here. Paste it here. Okay, see, you can see guys, I got exist. As I told you guys, I will get that error. So same error I'm getting here. So I'll exit this and npm install exist. Install exist. Okay, so exist we are installing now. Okay, this is done. Again I'll run npm run dev. We'll see guys. Okay, now okay, you can see guys, I'm getting data from MySQL. So whatever the usernames are there, how many usernames are there, that it is showing guys here. You can see this. Okay, suppose if you want last name, so you that also you can do here, us underscore last underscore name. So you can see guys, last name I'm getting, right? Yes guys. So like this, what you can now you can do guys here, CSS and all, you can do everything whatever you want to do, and whatever where you want to show the data, that also you can do. So you got now how we can use this API in our React application guys, and here we are using MySQL database. Okay, from that how we can fetch the data, so that I have shown you today guys. Okay, suppose if you are not getting anything in this, anything, okay, that you can comment guys, because as you know guys, I will take mostly all the comment videos only I will do guys. Please comment if you're facing any issue. Okay, and if you're liking my videos, then guys like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys, keep supporting guys.